We'll guide you through how to join the ChatGPT photo trend in just a few easy steps. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account, or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the Trends section on the homepage. It's typically located in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Click on Trends, and you'll be taken to a new page that showcases all the current ChatGPT trends. Scroll down until you find the ChatGPT photo trend. Click on it to get more details about the trend and how to participate. You'll find an option to join the trend. Click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to upload a photo. Choose a picture from your computer that you want to use for this trend. Make sure it fits the theme or requirements specified in the trend details. After uploading, you can add a caption or any additional information if requested. Once you're satisfied with your entry, hit Submit. Your photo will now be part of the ChatGPT photo trend, and you can share it with friends or on social media by using the share button provided. Be sure to check back often on the trend page to see other entries and any updates or featured photos. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.